Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a fun English conversation to help improve your listening skills. Join Annie and Zoe as they discuss Zoe's recent job interview and share helpful tips. This video is divided into two simple steps. Step 1. Listening practice with the conversation. Step 2. A short test based on what you heard. So, get ready to improve your English and have some fun. Let's get started.
Hi, Zoe. How was your job interview?
Hi, Annie. It went well, but I was a little nervous.
Don't worry. What questions did they ask?
They asked about my skills and experience.
That's good. Did they ask why you want the job?
Yes, I told them I love working in this field.
Great. What else did they ask?
They asked how I handle pressure at work.
What did you say?
I said I stay calm and focus on solutions.
That's a good answer. Did they ask about teamwork?
Yes, they asked if I work well with others.
What was your answer?
I said I enjoy working in a team and helping others.
That's great. When will they tell you the result?
In a few days. I really hope I get the job.
I'm sure you did great. Let's celebrate soon.
Yes, thank you for your support. In this part, you will answer questions about the conversation you heard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!